Verification Monitoring Interface, or VMI, is a microscan solution specially engineered for monitoring the quality of barcodes as they're produced on parts, labels, and packaging. The VMI software provides a custom window for viewing barcode quality data and allows manufacturers to grade codes in time with production, immediately after codes are applied to products. This allows manufacturers to catch bad codes and downward trends in code quality caused by the degradation of the coding system, such as jammed printheads, low ink, and more, before these codes cause problems further down the supply chain. VMI is programmed to grade codes against international barcode quality standards, such as those proposed by ISO, enabling manufacturers to meet specific coding requirements mandated by their supply chain. Here I am looking at the VMI run screen, which displays the results of my barcode verification job. In a real manufacturing line, this screen could be displayed using Panel PC next to the production line, allowing operators to see the grade of each barcode that is made, as well as a visual graph of the barcode quality over time. The main window on the screen shows the product image captured by a camera in the verification system. The larger box shows the region of interest. This is where the user has told the system to look for a barcode. The smaller box around the code indicates if a code is found and can be read. The color of these boxes will be green or red, depending on whether the code can be properly decoded, and if the code is high enough quality to pass the criteria of the software's symbol quality verification tool. As new images are taken by the camera, the software will locate and grade each code against the same criteria and display the verification results. Above the image is the overall inspection count. You can see the total images that the software has inspected, as well as the number of codes that have passed and failed. The image ID is next to these counters. If a manufacturer has configured the software to save images, this is the ID that will be associated with each image that is captured. The final item in this toolbar is the lot number field. A value can be entered into this field, and it will be associated with any saved data files for products or barcodes that are a part of this inspection. To note, only users with supervisor access or above permissions in VMI can enter a new lot number. On the left-hand side of the screen is the verification results window. This window displays data indicating the quality of each barcode based on its ability to meet verification criteria, as well as its overall grade. The feature piece here is a large numeric grade within a circle, whose color changes based on whether the grade is good, which is green, fair, which is yellow, or poor, which is a red circle. Additional details are provided below this grade with the recommended ISO grade format. This includes the barcode's grade, followed by the aperture size, the light wavelength, and the lighting angle. The string of decoded characters from the barcode is also listed. Below is a pictorial representation of the scan data. When grading barcodes according to International Barcode Quality Standard ISO 15416, the verification system must scan the barcode at 10 points. The data from each of these 10 scans is processed against ISO 15416 parameters for barcode quality, and the barcode receives grades for meeting these parameters at each of the 10 scans. The software's verification algorithm then takes the average grade of all 10 scans to get the overall barcode grade. The parameter for which the barcode received the lowest grade is listed next to each scan line. By hovering the mouse over the text, you can see the full parameter name. Please refer to the ISO 15416 standard for more details on specific verification parameters and algorithms. At the bottom of the verification results window are the grade counts. Though the totals may match, this count is different from the total inspection shown at the top of the screen. The grade count is specific to the grades given by the software's symbol quality verification tool to indicate the number of good, fair, and poor quality barcodes. The total inspection count factors in the pass-fail results from all of the inspection tasks that are being executed by the software for each image. So this table is counting the barcode grades from the symbol quality verification tool only. And this is counting the full inspections which may pass or fail depending on the results of the other tools in the job. The pane at the bottom of the page has two tabs, Graph and Queue. The Graph tab shows the trend of the barcode verification grades over time. In a live application, fluctuations in barcode quality allow a user to visualize any downward trends or sudden changes in the production line that would cause various grades in barcode quality. If barcode quality falls below a defined threshold, An alarm or other trigger can be set to initiate a range of actions, such as alert the manufacturer that there is an issue with the marking or labeling system, or initiate a reject mechanism, or stop the production line altogether. The second Q tab shows images of the last 10 inspections and a corresponding color-coded barcode grade. The image name is also listed if the user would like to find this image among any saved images. VMI has 4 password-protected user levels with increasing access to software functionality. At startup, the software defaults to operator mode. Operators can only visualize the verification results. They have no access to change any settings in the job. Let's change to engineer mode to demonstrate one final feature of the VMI run screen. Engineer mode unlocks the Runtime Operations dialog button. From this window, the engineer can choose to log the images taken by the camera and save the files to a particular location on their device. They can also define what type of images they want to save, whether they want all images or only the poor failed images. Data logging can also be turned on or off. Data is saved in a CSV file organized by inspection result. These records can be reviewed if the quality department, for example, is interested in looking at detailed results about a particular barcode or the grading system. A Graph Settings tab in this Options window is where the engineer can define the X and Y scales for the graph showing barcode grade trending at the bottom of the VMI run screen. If a manufacturer is inspecting low contrast codes, they may not need to show verification grades higher than 2, like I have on the current screen. If they are dealing with higher contrast codes, the full grade range should be shown. I have just demonstrated some of the unique features of Microscan's VMI software for barcode quality verification. The trending and visualization features of this interface are designed to help manufacturers detect any fluctuations in the integrity of their barcodes or coding processes before they become problems down the line. By implementing barcode verification as a preventative measure, manufacturers can greatly improve product quality, operational efficiency, reduce scrap and unplanned downtime, and avoid costly fines associated with unreadable codes in the supply chain.